Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to be discussing Venmo or Cash App. Which one is better? We're going to be comparing their features, fee structures, limits, additional products, functionality and more. So by the end of this video you will have all the information you need to decide which platform makes the most sense for your personal payment needs. First, let's quickly summarize what exactly Venmo and Cash App are for those who may not be familiar. Venmo and Cash App are mobile payment apps that allow you to easily send and receive money from your smartphone. All you have to do is link your bank account or debit card. And beyond just basic peer-to-peer transfers, they now offer additional financial services like debit cards, budgeting tools, investing, cryptocurrency and more. Their core functionality is fast and convenient money transfers, but they've expanded well beyond that. Both Venmo and Cash App are available as mobile apps for iOS and Android devices. You can also access them through a desktop web browser. And signing up for an account on either one of them is completely free with both services as well. One of the first major differences between Venmo and Cash App is their fee structures. The core functionality of sending payments from your linked bank account or debit card is free with both platforms. This lets you quickly transfer money at no cost. If you want to send a payment using a linked credit card, both Venmo and Cash App charge a 3% processing fee. This is to cover the credit card transaction fees. When it comes to ATM withdrawals using their debit cards, then both also charge fees around $2.5 to withdraw the cash. However, Venmo offers fee-free ATM withdrawals at MoneyPass ATMs through their debit card. So if you use one of their 40,000 plus partner ATMs, you can withdraw cash without any fees. And for instant transfers from your app balance to bank account, for instant transfers from your app balance to bank account, Venmo and Cash App both charge a 1.5% instant transfer fee. But it's better to use their free 1 to 3 day standard transfer. So for the most common use case, which is peer-to-peer payments from bank accounts, fees are essentially the same. The differences come mostly with their newer financial products. Also, both Venmo and Cash App have added some cryptocurrency functionality, but there are some differences in features. Cash App currently only supports buying, selling and transferring Bitcoin within the app. Meanwhile, Venmo offers cryptocurrency functionality for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and more, so it's more of a wider selection. Both platforms charge around a 2% fee for any crypto-related transactions. Given the high fees and limited functionality, neither app is ideal for serious crypto trading at this point. They are best for dipping your toes into crypto. So while Cash App only accommodates Bitcoin as of now, Venmo offers more flexibility with crypto options. Another area where the two platforms differ is their account transfer limits. This is especially important if you need to send larger amounts of money. For accounts that are unverified, meaning you haven't completed the ID verification, Cash App enforces a $250 per week sending limit. Venmo's weekly limit for unverified accounts is slightly higher at $300. However, for fully verified accounts, Venmo raises your weekly transfer to $5,000 and Cash App does not have a set limit for verified accounts. It uses variables like your account history to assess your limit. But many users report being able to transfer tens of thousands per week once verified. So if you need to frequently send larger payments over $5,000, then Cash App may offer higher flexibility. But both of them can accommodate most peer-to-peer payment needs. The next difference is where each service is available. This is one of the most important ones as it can dictate which service you should use depending on where you live. As of right now, Cash App is only available in the United States and the United Kingdom. Venmo, however, is only available within the United States as of now. So if you live in the United Kingdom, then Cash App is your only choice between these two, and Venmo unfortunately restricts the United Kingdom users from signing up. It's expected that Venmo will eventually expand internationally to compete with Cash App, but no timeline has been provided yet. Username and profile setup. Setting up your account on each application is straightforward. Both Venmo and Cash App allow you to link bank accounts, debit cards, add contacts, and personalize your profile. On Venmo, you can create a standard unique username for your account and you can customize this to an extent. Cash App automatically provides you with a generated unique hashtag username like #cashtag, which is not as customizable but the functions are pretty much the same. You will then use your designated username to identify recipients when sending or receiving payments on both platforms. The overall user experience and app layout is pretty similar across Venmo and Cash App, nothing too notable there. And beyond just facilitating the peer-to-peer transfers, both Venmo and Cash App have expanded their offerings to provide other financial services and products. Here is a little overview of some of the major ones. For Cash App, we have the features which are Cash Card, which is a customizable debit card linked to your Cash App balance and the bank account. This lets you easily spend your balance. Additionally, we have Investing, which allows you to easily invest in stocks and only Bitcoin out of right now from your Cash App account balance. And finally, we have Boosts, where you can get discounts and cashback when using your Cash Card at popular merchants. The Venmo features include a Venmo card, which is a Venmo branded debit card for spending your balance in stores, Venmo credit card, which offers points and unique features like the easy group payments, and the basic crypto function that we talked about, which supports buying, selling, and sending Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. So overall, Cash App seems more focused on becoming a broader financial services platform beyond just the payments, and Venmo has added useful products like their credit card but focuses mainly on expanding their social payments ecosystem. So taking all of these comparisons into account, let's summarize the key highlights so you know which one is better for you. Cash App has advantages like more financial products and tools, higher transfer limits, and availability in the UK. Venmo's advantages lie in its more social, popular brand appeal, intuitive group payments, and wider cryptocurrency support. So for quick peer-to-peer payments, either app will get the job done just fine and the core features are very similar. But based on the additional products and capabilities, here are some conclusions that you can draw. If you want more advanced investing, budgeting, and banking tools, then Cash App has the edge. And if you routinely split payments with groups of friends, then Venmo is likely the better choice. Obviously, if you live in the UK, then Cash App is currently your only option between these two. But for more mainstream consumers in the US just looking to pay individuals back, then you really can't go wrong with either one of the services. Let us know which one you prefer in the comment section down below and why. I hope that you found this kind of comparison video helpful or enjoyable to watch. And if you did, let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.